Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add LUTs in LumaFusion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to add LUT in LumaFusion, you usually tap the download LUT, that is the LUT file, like a .cube or a .3dl in your files app. So you need to simply go to LumaFusion. Once you're in your LumaFusion, you need to simply find these stuff and which are like the prompts that will help you to import it directly, or you can use the import button in the color editor. Then you can select a clip, open the color and effect panel, and a pencil like icon will appear. Tap on the LUTs tab, that is cube icon. And after you have done this, you need to choose your imported LUT from the User LUTs folder, adjusting its intensity with the blend slider for your desired look. So this way you can simply add LUT in LumaFusion. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.